What's good, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to remove an old loose VCT floor so we can go ahead and do a full spread glue down installation of carpet tiles. So check this out. Now if the VCT is down and tight to the floor, a lot of times you can just go right over top of it, but in this particular case the floor is really loose and popping up, and these are not asbestos tiles, so we don't have to leave them down. We're just going to pop these right out and see how easy the glue is. Now I have a floor in the other room that it's glued down really well, so we're actually going to just skim over that, taper the edges, and install the new floor and right over top of it. But once you get a section cleared out, you can grab a flat shovel, you just pop these out one at a time. Have a box nearby, you can just throw them right into the box and haul them to the dumpster. I want to show you this other floor over here just to give you an idea of the difference. So over in this room here, I started to tear this one out a little bit, but it's actually glued down really well. So what I'm going to do is just flash over this with the floor prep, make it a nice even taper, and we're going to install the new floor over it. See how this is breaking away? These are just coming up in chunks. So it's actually glued down a lot better than that floor. So I'll pull anything that's loose, and then you have stuff like this. See how it's coming up in these little tiny pieces? Get you a better angle there. See, something like this, we're just gonna go right over top of because of the labor it's gonna take to pull that floor out. It's gonna blow the budget for the client there. So that's a couple strategies on how to remove VCT flooring and when to just keep it down and flash over top of it. So if you have any questions about the carpet and flooring industry, be sure to comment below. I'll create a video answering your question for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video.